Hello. So today I just want to talk about. I just want to make a video tutorial on HTML or probably HTML structure. Just the basics without not really talk about the meta tags or anything. First of all, I have my Acode, as you can see, because I'm using my Android phone. If you're having a PC, you have to use just so I create my. First of all, I say define very simple tutorial. Remember the file must be saved as tutorial with HTML. So I save this. I just want to look at the basics. So the file has been saved. So the second thing is that I choose a folder on my phone where I want this particular file to be saved to. So let's say I want this file to be saved in any folder on my file manager. So first of all I create the folder on my file manager. Then I select the folder from here, internal storage. So I select any folder I've created from this place. So for this tutorial I'll be using my name folder to save the file. So I save the file into that. So it shows the file already exists. So let's just give it a particular number. Let's just say 6. So it saves. So I'll just start with the basic HTML structure. HTML tag. So as we all know that HTML has to do with hypertext markup language, and basically for structure or designing the structure of any website, any app, or web application, whatever you want to do as related to creating an HTML file. So first of all, I create my HTML tag, which is this tag. So it has an opening and closing tag. I don't really want to talk about that. So I open my head tag. So that's a mistake. So we have our head tag. So you see that the Acode automatically closes everything. So for the sake of this particular one, I'll just give it a title. Remember, it has no meta tag. I did not put any meta tag. I just say page. So I make something like this. So I have second from my body tag. So body tag will contain whatever we use it to display on our page. So we have something like this. That's something like this. So I just want to write the paragraph. So the paragraph has to do with the P tag. Our first our name HTML tutorial. Sometimes so let's assume these are P tag and we display that P tag on the page. So we have something like this displaying on our page. So definitely I will add CSS. So for the sake of this video now, I want to give my I want to work with HTML and CSS, and the sake of this tutorial, I want us to use the internal CSS. The thing is that the internal CSS will be written inside of our HTML documents, inside of the head tag here. So forgive me, I did not use the meta tags because I wanted to leave things as simple as it will be. So first I create my style tag because the CSS will be written inside this style tag. So this style tag carries what? It carries what? HTML. So first of all, let's use our normal body so that we don't get confused. Let's use our body. Let's give it a height. Let's give the background probably so as you can see the text already is black, so it's not visible. So I come here and I say body. Let's give it some text sharp. So the first one is horizontal pixel, horizontal, vertical, then the blur radius. Blur radius. So first of all, let's use let's let's first of all see the first effect for the first one. So nothing added. Okay, so let's see for pixel. Let's see normally I will not always want to use this first two. I always prefer to keep them at 0. If you observe that, you see that the text is a little blurry, but let's add more. So in order to add multiple blocks, we shall use our command. We'll have this, we'll have the higher pixel value. Now the px here means pixel. So we have as you can see now the blur is more visible than before. So we'll just stop here for today.